Hello, everyone. I'm Milan. This is Amy. We're with Illuma, and we're going to show you how Illuma is working to make every call into credit union and community banking contact centers easier, faster, and more secure by leveraging the power of passive voice biometrics.
I agree 100%, Milan. The rapid adoption of voice biometrics is quickly antiquating the painful question and answer process that has been the staple for caller verification into your credit union or regional bank. Gone are the days where you have to interrogate your members, make them jump through hoops just to prove they are who they say they are. With the Illuma Shield, you can verify your callers seamlessly in seconds with ease by the sound of their voice.
So they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? So I'd say a demo is worth at least 1,000,000. How about we show the technology in action?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect. So we got this screen up. I'm going to make a call like a customer or a member.
And I will be the agent. I see your call. Thank you for calling Illuma Financial. How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. My name is Milan Borkar. I'd like to make a wire transfer in the amount of $1,000 to go from my personal checking account. Destination is Family Financial in San Jose. Is that something you can help me with?
Well, you've been verified by voice, and yes, I'll be happy to help you today.
Verified by voice. That sounds really good. Thank you. Yes. So there you have it. That's our demo. Less than 2 minutes in. No pins, passwords, no annoying Q&A. Simply voicing my service request in plain English was sufficient for Illuma Shield to recognize me in real time. And with our deep integration into Glia Contact Center and Cortex, you can see that not only the verification decision, but also a solid CSAT score was automatically captured in wrap-up, which makes it super easy for your agents to wrap up this call and quickly transition to servicing the next caller. So as you saw, we can help you make every call into your contact center easier, faster, and more secure. But the best part is, while this type of technology was only available to the largest of banks, we're pioneers in making this technology affordable for credit unions and community banks of all sizes.
So easier and faster, pretty obvious from that demo. But what about more secure? How would Illuma Shield protect against a determined fraudster?
Well, let's try it out. How about we switch places? I'll be the agent. You can try to be Milan and break into my account with the same request.
That will be fun. Let's do that. I will call.
Your call comes in.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling Illuma Financial. How may I help you?
Hi, I am Milan Burkar. I would like to have $1,000 from my personal checking account transferred to Family Financial in San Jose. I actually need the money today. Is that something that you can please help me with? Yes, it'll be $1,000 from my checking account.
Our voice ID system seems to be alerting me of suspicious activities, so I don't think I can help you on the phone. I'll need to ask you to go to your nearest branch, and please remember to bring 2 forms of ID.
Really frustrating, and quite honestly, I'll probably go to another financial institution.
So obviously, your takeover attempt was foiled, and you can see in wrap-up you were also pretty frustrated, so it captured that well.
I wanted the money.
Well, but let's be honest here, right? We sound nothing alike. Pretty much table stakes for everyone here. That's how it's supposed to work. How about a more challenging test?
I like that. What about a synthetic voice?
Ooh, that sounds interesting.
Which is good, because I just happen to have your voice created with 11 Labs, a ready, available, accessible tool, high-quality synthetic voice. Let's see how Illuma Shield does against that.
That's scary. We'll talk later about why you happen to have a clone of my voice on your computer, but either way, that's a later conversation. It sounds like a much more legitimate test. Let's give it a shot.
All right, let's go.
Hello, good morning. This is Milan Borkar. I would like to initiate a wire transfer in the amount of $1,000 from my personal checking account going to Family Financial in San Jose. What information do you need to ensure this wire goes out before close of business today?
That's exactly how it's supposed to work. Keep the deep fakes out, let the real me in. I'm happy to share that across our entire installed client base, we haven't had a single fraudster defeat a biometric engine with deep fakes, social engineering, recordings, any of that sort. And with the fresh capital we've secured in our recent Series A, we plan to continue investing in our core technologies to protect our clients from any threats that come in the future.
So technology this sophisticated begs the question, is it incredibly expensive and a lengthy deployment?
Well, that's the best part. Our recent clients have implemented the technology in their contact center in about an afternoon and have gone fully live in production in about 3 weeks. So it can be done. So how do we do it? It's really based on our focus on simplicity and ensuring the solution is right size for community-focused financial institutions like credit unions and community banks, making this solution really easy to deploy, maintain, train, and use without the need for an enterprise-sized budget. So we appreciate everyone's time and attention today. Hope you're able to see how our technology can help improve your contact center operations on a daily basis. Please vote us best in show. Stop by our booth. We'd love to partner with you to deliver shorter calls, better security, and easier banking experiences. Thank you.